with another video with the banger. So we playing Realm Royale on PS4. Well, my man's Jacob. Jacob, shout yourself
You
out.
already know.
Shout
Yo,
yourself
real
out.
quick, come to check out my Twitch channel, face underscore Killer Him or not. So check it out anytime you want.
Yeah, man. Go follow that man on Twitch. Yeah, that's it. Let's get into it.
Let's do it. Alright, bro. Oh, we got one viewer. What's up, bro? Alright, we gonna land.
I'm gonna be doing it after.
Like in a minute. Alright, we gonna go like around Greenscape. You see where my market is on the map? Shane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see where the market is on the map?
Marker where?
Alright.
You see that little glowy thing in the air? That orange thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, go there. That's where we going.
Yo, this is really like, what's the name again? Red Dead or Fortnite.
Yeah.
Cause Red Dead has the horses and the guns and stuff, and Fortnite has the battle bus
Graphics.
and the battle bus.
Yeah. And then it has a little bit of a similarity to PUBG. I see one guy landing here.
Actually, no, it's
He has
not.
battle pass.
They changed it a lot.
Where are you at?
There's where
Yeah,
the
Ninja
market
plays-
is.
Ninja even
Oh
played it.
yeah, at the marker. Be quiet. Be quiet.
Did you not
Be
land here?
quiet. Nah,
Oh my gosh.
I'm
I
over
thought you
here.
landed here.
I'm
Oh,
over.
two people
Yeah.
over here,
Did you
so.
die? Yeah, you have 10 or 20 seconds. Oops. 10 or 20 seconds, yeah. And after those 10 or 20 seconds, you come back. Because there's no reviving.
Oh, and Shane, there's like say if I search a chest, you could
Yeah,
also
they're
search
like
it.
actual seed.
So I can search it and you can search it too. Is there anybody on you?
No.
I thought you said shoot.
The hell? Did I just die?
Do you know how to ride your
You
horse?
watch the trailer?
How?
Oh, there's someone coming to you. You guys don't know where I'm at.
Okay.
I'm gonna keep it like that.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go
I
around
would
with
do
my
that.
How do you pull out your horse?
It takes quite a while to download. It takes you about like...
Hey, where did he go? He's behind me. Wait, just...
Oh my god.
Shane, are you good?
Ah, Riva.
Where is he?
He's over here.
Oh, I'm thinking that you're right in front of my face. I'm so dumb.
Oh my god.
Oh gosh.
It's like every 3 hours.
The heck? What?
Hey, I'm gonna go...
Yo, this gun is so trash. Why does it take so much? So kill him. It's taking way too much ammo.
He's on the other side.
Where did he go? Yeah, he's trying to come around.
Turn around, turn around.
Oh. Don't worry about it. Oh, that's why. Okay.
Under fire.
Where that chicken
I
at?
need to use these.
Restoring some health.
It's two chickens.
Oh. Jump, kid.
I might be dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
I'm dead.
Why did it take so many bullets just to kill that guy? The SMGs are actually kind of trash this game. Alright, are you done with your match,
No, I'm in top 24.
Nice, nice, nice. Alright, come on, Shane. Do yours again.
Yeah.
I'm now 22.
Oh my god, why are you bullying me, you bum? Stop bullying me. He is bullying. I want to play my music.
Oh my gosh, that would be cheap if that actually worked.
Bro, if only you had PS4, man. No, PlayStation Plus, man. Dang.
Oh, 2 people in the chat. What's up, guys?
What's
Relum,
your Twitch?
Phase underscore killing him or not.
Okay.
I wish I had PlayStation Plus too, actually.
You want PlayStation Plus?
Oh, it's probably gonna get a little bit noisy because my brother and sisters on their way. So. I only use the hunter. Only like her.
What's the last part of it again?
What do you mean?
The last part of your Twitch.
Phase killer. Wait, phase underscore killer. Is he the underscore or dash?
Yo. You gonna have to turn that down. You gonna have to turn that down.
Him?
Yeah, who is that with the
Oh, he's my friend Miley.
Can you tell him or her to turn that down?
He wants you to turn down the music, Miley.
That's not Miley. That's Angel.
Oh.
Alright.
Yeah, let's go over here. Everforce. Just follow me, Shane. Please do not go anywhere else this time.
Did you drop already?
I see phase underscore
I'm
rush
dropping right now.
and all that. Phase underscore.
Alright, hold on, give me a second. Oh, that's what I forgot. I gotta look at the stream too. Hold on. I have to go on my tablet and go on Twitch and search it myself, so I'll show you right now. Twitch.
Yo, did you already jump?
Oh, there's someone landing here. Wait, Shane, did you not jump again? Are you kidding me?
No, cause I can't see it on the map. Like I'm so far from the TV. Like I'm blind.
Oh my gosh, Shane.
Shut up, cause I landed.
It switched to 5
Just
hours.
look at your map. It's so easy.
That's what I'm looking at, kid.
Huh?
Yeah, I wanna slice somebody up. Alright, so where are you?
Miley's thing is taking 5 hours.
I'm at Everfrost. I see you. Oh, you went to my marker. That's actually my fault.
Oh my god.
Did you find Luna?
Wait, where are the buildings in the chest? This is because this is not the same place. Stay, where's this freaking chest?
Where are you?
Fortnite. Let's go.
Look at your map, you're gonna see me. Let me look at my channel. Alright, it is fate. Wait.
Tell Zombie I'm downloading it now. Okay, Zombie Road is downloading the game now.
Okay, it's face dash hammer not Relum Royale live stream. Oh, I don't even have a gun. Come on now.
Is it easy to play that game or something?
Phase underscore.
My memory used is like 91,526.
What the heck?
What's after the phase underscore?
Hammer.
Hammer.
Yes, hammer.
Oh yeah, I see it.
I'm gonna reset my island.
Yo, there's no chest.
Get in the cave. I'm gonna make a
Whole map again. full map. What I said?
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, there's no chest, dude. This is not funny.
Who said
Copy.
that?
I heard it through the mic. Kid?
Oh, who's
Ooh,
like?
3 people watching. Ooh, and 1. Oh, what's up, bro? Alright. Chest right here on me.
That's on me, baby. Yeah, that's on me, baby. Yeah. In my booty, baby. Yeah.
Oh, what? Oh. Wait. Gosh, I'm dead. I might be dead. Wait, what? Oh, he's healing. Thought we was gonna do a fair 1v1. Come on now. Ooh, what is that? No. Oh, thank you, Jesus. If he would have revived himself, I would have been. I would have been tight.
Oh my god, I wanna play another game.
Wait, did you leave?
No, I left the lobby because I died.
There's 4 players remaining. Well, 3 counting.
Paper, be quiet.
That's not me.
I said paper, right? Your name is a dog?
Oh, wait, what?
Are you a dog?
No.
Alright, so I'm not talking to you. Kid?
I thought you said Jacob, so my bad.
So paper sounds like Jacob?
Listen, cause your mic is so low.
Because I want it low. It's best low.
Okay.
Yo, who is you talking to like that?
You?
Yo, do you want to die? Like, do you want to really die? Because you could die at school.
I don't know.
I could kick
Maybe I
you
do,
to death.
maybe I don't.
I could beat you to death. Now let me stop. Yo,
You're right. Oh, let me fix my camera.
yo,
Let me know
we
when I
was
turn it back.
jumping the heck out of Javon, bro. He was talking all of that, bro. He was booming, bro. Yo, what's the name again?
Javon stinks.
Of course he thinks. What do you think we beat him up? Yo, we was,
Wait, is that
we was
Oh no, that's the
smoking.
ghost walk I needed.
We was smoking it, mo. Yo, and they kept on calling me puss just because I didn't wanna like do all that stuff.
I'm gonna join you guys because I died. I was in 3rd place.
Dang. Can you get up there? Is that? Let me see, maybe there's stairs. Probably not. Okay, so we are out here. Ooh, I like this. Then we got the shield. Okay.
Yo, I swear, bro, I'm dead.
Oh,
Are you done with the
People
match,
play
man?
Hey, zombie, there's 3
Oh
people
my
playing
god,
Fortnite.
can you just die
Oh,
And 3
already?
people playing Realm Royale.
I'm gonna stream my game after this.
Can you just die already?
No.
Why do you not want to die?
Because
This
I
map
wanna
is
If you
impossible
would've stayed, then
now.
I couldn't stay. You told me to go to your marker, you kid. Didn't you or did you not? You did, kid. Yo, what was the comment? What's the comment?
Oh no, should I stream Snake?
Do you know that I'm watching you right now?
Don't stream stop everybody.
Tifu doesn't play on your servers. You're playing on PS4 servers, and plus, Tifu does not play on East or West. I mean, well, I don't know what servers he plays on.
There's a thing in the settings where you can choose it so you can play with people on PC. That's how I made a friend with the PC Twitch streamer.
Shut up.
Oh, 4 people in the chat. What's up? Let's go. 4 people.
That's because I'm watching you, kid.
Oh, that's you.
Yes.
Boy.
What? I don't want to sit in the lobby and not do anything. Like, you're bugging.
Die. Oh, that's you. Go swap.
Yeah, yo, how do you pull out your,
Die. Oh, no. I'm dead. Go swap. Yup, just like that. No. Oh, no. I'm dead. Shane, are you still watching me?
Yeah, no, I'm not.
Oh, well, oh, somebody just, hi, can I join? I mean, we don't have a full lobby yet. I mean, wait, Shane. No, Shane. Somebody wants to join.
Alright, just leave. Leave.
Alright. Nice. No, it's not. I don't even think it's a friend. It's a viewer. Ooh, 5 people chat. I mean, in the stream. What's up, guys?
Yo, I feel like it's only Twitch that gets more than YouTube.
I mean, yeah, because Twitch is just like a gaming thing.
I know, but YouTube is all. YouTube is all. Like, everybody should be on YouTube. Like, YouTube is all. Literally, all.
Yeah, well, that's how it goes. But, what should we call it? Yeah, dude, you could join. Send me a friend request, I guess.
No. A little bit, but no.
Alright, quit. Return to lobby. How you just gonna play me? Got no time for that.
Yeah,
How did you? Crazy.
I think he left. Did he leave? Yo, text him. Come if he left or not. Text him. What? No, he didn't leave. Did you leave? Did you leave? Because 2 people just left, so I don't know if that was one of. I don't know if that was him. I actually think that he left. Oh yeah, he left. Okay, he doesn't want to join. Alright, Shane, let's go. He left.
Yo, is the other guy not playing with us?
Yeah, no, I told you he left. I don't know why he left.
No, I'm talking about the person in the party. Like the...
the person in the party, zombies. Okay, well, he's not talking. Shane.
What's wrong with your skin?
Yo, I can't believe it's a Friday, bro. Let's go.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Finally.
Yo, I might have to go. But, look, I'm gonna join back the party. Hold up.
Low class.
Yo, what's up?
Yo. Bro, I got bad news.
What you said?
I got bad news for you.
What?
I can't give you the milk.
Why?
Because you know how I told you that I was gonna tell my friend to pass it, right?
Yeah.
To pass you the milk. His account got banned.
Aw, damn.
I don't know if you
helping me set up my CL, but
Yeah.
Aw, dang. I mean, yeah, I can help you.
alright, let me see if Sophia's online because the more people,
More money
money
you
you
get it
get it, and 30 and
faster. The more money you get faster. Why is Sophia not online? What the heck? Here's what I hate. She said,
She's
"Oh,
never
yo,
online,
Anthony."
bro.
She was like, "Yo, Anthony, we're gonna do it tomorrow, right? To go to a strip club and get the girl's number." She was like, "Oh," I was like, "I was like, I bet, of course." Next thing you know, freaking girl's still not
Yo, why she
online.
always wanna strip? Yo, she is gay, bro. You know what she did? She telling everybody nah, she keeps on telling me to close my booty cheeks cause she gonna finesse them. She trying to eat my ass.
Uh-huh. So you
Yo,
saw
I
the new
was
car that
scared to
came?
play. I was scared to play a game. Like she always looked at me in a funny way, like nobody wanna listen, like hear that. You creep.
I didn't want to kiss Bay today.
Why?
Nah, because I was walking to kiss Bay. Then my mom came. Then I had to take a haircut, so I went, took a haircut, came back to my house, and just chilled on Fortnite. Nah, this is what I did. So I go into my house. No, I left my sister off kids Bay. I went with my mom home, played like for 1 hour. Then went to the barber shop across the street. Then came back like at 7 because my dad appeared and then he had to take a haircut and it came back like at 7. It's halfway full though. You heard?
Oh,
I need another Yo, you have another person? Yo, come to GTA.
alright, bet.